Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So the structure didn't change too much since our previous update, and the market is building lower highs and lower lows and is trading in the defined downside, mini downside channel. But still, the supply and sellers are in control and there is a chance for the lower prices. So the next downside pivots are set at the price of 1.2750 mark. This is the low, significant low, where we have this strong reaction from buyers. And then we also have the area around 1.2690 mark, which is also area where we have lots of reactions from the past. So as long as the sellers are in control and we don't have any bigger reversal or bigger exhaustion, there is a chance for the lower prices and the further downside movement. Speaking of the gold market, so we shifted here from a 1985 market that actually had a breakout here of this swing high and then failed, and the supply to control at this point. And then market started to build lower highs and lower lows, so it's still the downside, the sellers to control from buyers. And we can see also the breakout of the rising trend line in the background, so there is a chance for the lower prices and potential retest of 1948, 1947. We also have the pivot, a very important pivot area around 1935 mark, so that is also potential downside reference points and downside objective as long as the sellers are in control. Anything meaningful to the upside, I will like to see, let's say, the upside scenario. If the market will take this supply trend line, and then if we can see some significant strength and buying power, and then a lighter pullback, so further upside movement, but that's not the case at this point, so sellers are in control. Speaking of the crude oil reached the upside objective around 79.30 mark, but we got a reaction. Market tried to trade higher here, and then we have a failed test of the high. So now supply is in control, so we might have some correction and the price to go towards the rising trend line, or even the recent swing highs are at 77.35. So there is a potential for the further downside correction before any further upside movement. And the Bitcoin had a major breakout of the key cluster support at 29,500. Market sold off aggressively and we had a breakout, and we can see here that we also we don't see any bigger power on the upside, so this might be the ABC, and overall the further downside movement might be in the play. We had also area of consolidation here, which is where the market reacted, but the rally seems like a weak rally and that we can trade lower. So there is a chance for lower prices and eventual retest of 28,850, or even for the market to go all the way down to fulfill this area around 27,600, 27,500 mark. We all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy, guys. Trade safe and speak to you from tomorrow morning.